Hey, what's up, Mythic Crew? This is Seth, and I'm back. Today, we're going to take off some of the suspension on the Porsche and try and get as close as we can to getting the transmission out. So, let's rip right to it. Alright guys, that's all for this one. I had to put the suspension back up because I didn't have the tool I needed to take off the e-brake cable, but I got that and we'll get to it next time. So both sides are unbolted, ready to drop down, and little by little we're getting to it. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.